One additional page that's been added to this demo is small multiples. Now, what small multiples will do is it will take a standard visualization, in this case a bar chart, and it'll break it out by category. In this case, it's breaking things out by state. You can see that we have year on the axis, cost per day is the value that's being calculated, and state is what each individual bar chart is representing. You'll see that I disconnected the 2018 filter from this visual specifically so that we could have all 6 years of data on the axis. Over here on the right, if I were to pick a high cost generic name and click on it, you'll see that this is just a Pixaban for cardiology. And when I click on that, it refilters the small multiples so that I'm just looking at that particular product with that particular specialty. And you'll see that you can scroll down and compare how that changes over time for different states. Switch it to a different specialty, you get a slightly different graph. Move to a different drug and a different specialty, and you get additional different information. And what's nice about this is you can visualize trends over time for specific slices of data for multiple categories, and try to use that kind of visual cue to find where there might be an outlier that's trending a different way than the rest of its peers. Once again, a link to an article where there's more information about this demo is included in the video description, along with a link to the GitHub site where you can deploy it in less than an hour with just a few clicks in Azure Synapse and Power BI.